Hello, Jacob Pace here with Guarantee RV. We are in the RV park in Junction City. It's a beautiful sunny day. That's why I'm wearing my sun hat. Well, the sales team is super busy working with folks just like you, so I'm standing in. I'm going to talk to you about a 2020 Winnebago Forza. Let's go inside. You can see a ton more. Let's check it out. As soon as you walk inside this coach, you are greeted with two chairs, the captain's chair and the co-pilot's chair. They both swivel, lean back, tilt, have a bunch of functions, but when you're the co-pilot, you get a little extra. You get a footrest that kicks out, and you get a little table that folds out from the side. Right away, when you look from the front of the coach down to the back of the coach, you're stopped in your feet. It's a light color palette. The leather is a light taupe. The countertops are a light wood grain or a gray stone over in the sink with some accents on the walls of gray leather. It's bright. Wood floor is a medium wood color, but overall it doesn't feel dark. It's light and bright, and it makes the space feel even larger. Let's start on the passenger side as we move from the front to the back. We have our two chairs that recline, have cup holders, have USB ports. So comfortable. Right next to that, you have your dinette. It could seat 4 people. You have cup holders. On the driver's side, we have our entertainment system. We have our fireplace. And by the captain's chair, you have a small table that folds out if you need to, read a map if you still do that, or set up a tablet or take notes. Moving down from the entertainment system and the fireplace, you have your kitchen. Wonderful amount of countertop space. You even have extra countertop space that folds out right from the edge. You have a split sink that's brushed metal, and the nozzle even pulls out into a hose. Moving down the countertop a bit more, you have your stove top, 3-burner. You have a microwave from Whirlpool. Then you have a refrigerator and freezer. Freezer's on top. Now I'm going to move us into the bathroom. You walk inside, the styling is just wonderful. Gray mock stone countertop, textured wallpaper, toilet, cabinetry up high, a good sized shower with a sunlight. Now the moment we've all been waiting for, the bedroom. Right away you walk in and you notice this bed is unique. It's more than just a bed. It's a sleep system that you can adjust to your style. You can make your side, say the left side, firmer than the right side. The right side could be softer than the left side. You also have USB ports, 110 power outlets, and you have the charging dock where you simply just set your phone down and it will charge for you. You have a wonderful closet storage. You have a nice long mirror. You stand back just far enough and it's full length. Coming around to the driver's side in the bedroom now, you have your second entertainment system, Samsung flat screen TV, more storage down below. Absolutely beautiful in this bedroom. You have 2 air conditioning systems inside this coach, and on your digital panel you can control each of them separately. On the driver's side, you have a double door that opens up with great storage again. Next to that, a bit more storage, 2 smaller doors. And now we've just made our way back up through the kitchen. You have a wonderful dash that brightly shines so you can see your speedometer. You have a great sized screen for your backup camera and all the other digital essentials right there in your cockpit while you're driving. There is a lofted bed that electronically comes down, and you have a small ladder so you could sleep, say, your child or your grandchild up there. So now you have 3 sleeping areas in this coach. Now that we're back outside, you look at the bottom half of the coach and you notice all of this storage. There's so much. You could bring the kitchen sink. Well, okay, a second one. But then over here on my left-hand side, you have a third big screen TV. You could put the lawn chairs out and enjoy a Pixar movie or anything you prefer on a summer's evening. I guess you could do a winter's evening as well. You might want a blanket. If you'd love to check this out in person, because it shows even better in person than on video, you should give us a call. Call the sales team. Phone number's right down here. Get in contact with us. We'd love to schedule a time for you to come out to Junction City to Guarantee RV and have a look at this RV or the many others that we have on our lot. Thanks. Have a great day.